Ekor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Kinangelam ka Nehu Students Union, ringkat lang kinangelam KSU Nehu Unit, haka arpnyo trik na itong ajap rio. Kalit binyakendo yo Professor Saroj Kanta Barik, haji mula Shimti, kum acting Vice Chancellor, jongka School ba Nehu. Penpens ngawi ki jing ki bagi Samla Pule ki mat, hagis nyamba menchua. Men badang don u Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla, kum u Vice Chancellor. Haka jingkan bikilat thai kubor u Presiden ka Nehu su, u Samla Martin Warjri. Ulai itu, haka jingkan ka Union, kelapens ngaw, ki babuon ki mat, ki basateng, bagi jing bagi Samla Pule, ki kendu hagis nyamba lalet nyo. Ulai itu, bawa Profesor Barik, ula Kular ban penorlong, ki katu kat ni ki mat jing dawa, kelapens ngaw, ki arteli ki kenhun, jongka seng ki Samla Pule.
I'm Martin Waji, the General Secretary of Nehu. On the behalf of the Nehu Students Union and Khasi Nehu Unit, first of all, we'd like to thanks to all the association, the central body from KSU CEC, and even the KSU Nehu Unit who have been with us since the day we started this agitation. Now, finally, we have come to the day which is very fruitful. Now, the incumbent Vice Chancellor, Professor Shukla, is no more in this campus, and we are very happy and pleased to announce that finally this Nehu is free from those professors who are not taking charge or who are not taking responsibility for any actions or any problems that the university had to face. So from the union side, we would like to thanks to all the members from Darbar Shnong, to all the association, to all the unions from various committees. So a very thanks to all of them. And today finally we met Professor S.K. Barik, acting Vice Chancellor of Northeastern Hills University. So today we had a very good conversation and enjoyed a good discussion. Today we have presented 5 agenda, and those 5 agendas were, first of all, the appointment during the tenure of Vice Chancellor Professor Shukla. He appointed registrar in charge and also the finance in charge, which was not done according to our statutes of the Northeastern Hills Statutes Acts. So we have proposed to Honorable Acting Vice Chancellor to look upon this matter and made sure whatever action has to be taken, he will do. And he has also assured from his side that he will conduct an EC meeting and look upon this matter. And second of all, we have we have focused on the point that is the convocation. Since during this past 4 years, 3 years, there was no convocation in the Northeastern Hills University. And considering it's one of the central university in whole Northeast and one of the prestigious university, we have raised our concern to our Acting Vice Chancellor, that please assure us that there will be a convocation, and not only this year, but there will be timely convocation throughout the years that coming years. So from his side, he has also assured that there will be convocation. He'll try his best to do within December, till December. And so far, we have also pointed out that appointment of teaching staff, that is the guest faculty, permanent teachers, and also the non-teaching staff. As you know, our university has been facing a lot of crisis. We don't have decent number of workers. One faculty have to look after of 100 of students. So I have to emphasize on this matter, and sir had assured that he will look upon this matter as soon as possible. And also there were other points such as Wi-Fi connective issue and so many more, and most importantly to fasten up the process. During these past few years, there were many points. The admission process has been delayed. So we have pressed from our side that, sir, please make sure that all the admission process will go smoothly and as soon as possible. So these were the key points that we have presented. And also we have discussed many more matters, since sir was very open to discuss for the overall welfare of the university. Many all such as the ITEP issue and many more issues that the university is facing, since there was no proper administration head during those 2 years. So sir has assured that he will look upon all this matter, and we from the union side, from Nehu as well as from KSU Nehu unit, we hope that the university will start, and as our motto said, rise and build, and we hope that we'll rise and build together.
Panengkong hi nakaliang jungi ki student leaders we wan hang nakasingi mun kendo yung Professor SK Barik ubla Shimti kumu VC in charge ng university jungi hangne ipan pau hi kijing sing komen ka panengkong namar ba uneu VC ubla rim uba long bla dang chudep akut ka tem jungu yok jara kan university jungi digi asnam PE hi akato kasnam no kijing tungku jungi jungi no kai jungi khna jungi nong travel na ponehu baro ikowe teglong pan pau ya kata dokumen bagato kopor ki khna ki Pule hangne ki nong trei baro along ki pani sha ya kata jing sha ka jung ki bat ki wan sakmat bin kersan ya kata jing ya kata ko protest ka jung te hakne ka singi pan pau ba galong kita ka singi ka bang yok kai yok so ka jing job kum ki khna hi bat ni na kaliang ka jung ni pan pau ba kum ka to ka jingle ka ki kam ki ba to shukla ula le akan university ula pentron ula penharu ya ka university shiga de long akan ka singipat ikerman ba long la pat ban restore ne ban rab yang ya ka jing bha ka jing miat ha university tan ka liang ka jong hi ngimdan ni even ong and ring shukerman scam ba ne uban ubashu dang shushim tiru untre bha wan ra university ki shibun ki kam ki ba ban Ïatreilang ban ki student ban ki staff ban kumju ban kentiu university sai shin pat kumba ka julong manchwa ha ka bamanta pe ka jing kren jungi men ne bat u vc ban Shimti ki egi ba u ayangi bat umla ban insurance ka babun and ki egi ba ula ban le na kaliang jungu o mangin ya trade ba ki khna kat ba along ka por ka dangai la u ban song ha ka shuki ka jungu namar ka kom appoint u ngim patip aduk ano kan kot namar dang de hitang win charge on dagil ai u full fledged vc la ne ki wekin one ha ka por ngin sai kran pat ki issue bat ki mat ki bran kam ban pen kalai university ki jungi ta ki bran kam
Kanong ba bernihan ka don ha uput usam ha pedeng ka asam bat Meghalaya ka we ka them artli ki jala ha ka benta jong ka asam don kumba ar phautli ki karkhana red category bat ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin banaya ka te ka than kum ka jaka ka belong critically pollutant hang ta ka don ka air quality monitor ka balapin pa ya ka khubor bala pau perthai ha ka benta jong ka Meghalaya pan don tang santli ki karkhana red category ka jo ka le air ka baya bentalang hinrai ka jingmi jabo ka ya pher de na ka ta ka daw kini artli ki jala menta kis dang pen khre banthau ya ka joint action plan